Thanks for watching Rob on Holiday. We've just been to the opening of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge in Walt Disney World in Florida. In a couple of weeks we'll have a full video up, but for now check out our raw footage. Okay, it's Thursday, 29th of August, and it's 2:25 in the morning. Star Wars Galaxy's Edge opens in just over 3 hours. We're at Disney's Port Orleans and we're going to try and make it really early. Don't know how many people are going to be there, but it's going to be a blast. I'm so excited. So we chickened out in the end. The bus didn't turn up after about 10-15 minutes, so we decided to order a taxi. Very busy coming in, but we're inside now, so we'll see what happens next. Okay, I'm in filming. So apparently this is the front of the queue. But getting up early was worth it, look.
Merchandise. You're going to be moving, everyone's going to head down Hollywood Boulevard. If you're going for opening day merchandise, you're going to be moving to you're going to travel to your right. If you're going to go to Galaxy's Edge, you're going to travel to your left. Again, opening day merchandise.
Is anyone going to the right? I think I'm going to the left. Okay, we're still here waiting to get in, but it's got a lot busy in the last 15 minutes. Check out the queue behind us.
Permission to screen.
We're nearly going in. I've got my official Star Wars Galaxy's Edge map. Look at that. Check it out.
Excited you are here today for the first chance to live out your own Star Wars story. In a few moments, you will be invited onto Hollywood Boulevard in anticipation of your adventure in a galaxy far, far away. Thank you, and enjoy your time here at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Let's go.
Please Walt.
Okay, so obviously we're through the gates and we're at the next waypoint on Hollywood Boulevard.
And so that as many guests as possible can experience Batuu, our cast will begin to guide you further into the park for your adventure in a galaxy far, far away.
No, it's actually I'm being one of those people. I want freedom.
Hey Bruce, I got you one.
Okay, so it's just after 4:30. We've been moved up by the cast members. We're right outside Star Wars Galaxy's Edge now. Check it out.
The other day, like they already had it ready a couple days ago.
10 to 5, and I think they're letting us in. Patience has paid off.
Great son!
Okay, we're heading for the queue for Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run now. It's where everybody else is headed. The Millennium Falcon is right there. Swing round and film the Millennium Falcon again. Detail is very good, as you can see. We're in the queue for Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run. Standby line is currently 1 hour, no, not 1 hour, 2 hours, 120 minutes. But in the meantime, there's plenty to look at in the queue. It's got that nice worn-in feel.
Gar for Malta, Gar for Malta.
This is Malta. Go ahead.
We're in some kind of control room now. I'm assuming we're getting on the Millennium Falcon somewhere through that door. Who knows?
That's cool. But this is the group I've been waiting for. Yes. I have an opportunity for you all that is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends to danger? You insult my honor. And believe me, I have very little honor to insult.
One of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around him. This is hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. You welcome my fine foreign friend. Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, I get those profits. What? The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go.
Wow, the detail is incredible.
Okay.
It's only 25 to 6 and we've already done Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run. It is absolutely fantastic ride. You've got to ride it. And the theming of all the detail, the caves, the lived-in metal look from the films, it's all here. And the Millennium Falcon cockpit and crew area, absolutely fabulous detail, really well done. Okay, so we're out of the madness now, and I think a Disney Galaxy's Edge theme bin is as good a place as any to display what we bought. We bought 2 thermal detonator cokes and a special, I think that's a Dasani water. So I'm going to open this now and see what it tastes like. Fizz is just like normal Coke. And it tastes just like Coke as well. I can't believe Chewbacca's here.
Can you understand Chew? A little bit? Okay. So do you mind helping me out real quick?
Yeah.
Okay, I already told you. I can't understand Chew.
That one. That one.
This one?
It's still in the box.
Did I say this earlier?
You didn't say it, Chewy.
We have one right here.
Oh, really?
Just past 6:45 now. I'm glad we got to do the Millennium Falcon ride early, because I'm guessing that this is the queue for it, snaking all the way out of the park. Just soon after we came out of the ride, the wait time was at 300 minutes, which I think is 5 hours, isn't it? So I think we've done really well today. If you're a fan of the old school Star Wars universe, all the slightly dented droids, the looked in, lived in feel of the buildings and everything, this is absolutely fantastic. Just look at the droids here.
So we'll see. Yes, on the other side of the shop. Of course.
Routine patrol, no need to worry.
It's right there, dude. Yeah, we'll go left. Yeah, this seems like.
Sounds like the Millennium Falcon is taking off. Take the sound effects as well as sound effects all around the world are really good. So every detail in the stonework, and the sounds, and the people, the characters, first class job by Disney on this.
That's the negative. Spies will be found. You've been warned.
To be fair, Disney have done a really good job with the organisation here, but you can't hide the fact that there are queues everywhere for everything. I mean, obviously for the Smugglers Run Millennium Falcon ride, but whether you want to get in the droid depot or just to buy a thermal detonator coke or anything else, it's absolutely packed, but I'm having fun. Chewy.
If we gotta go get some.
Okay, so 7:20 now. We've spent just about 2.5 hours in Galaxy's Edge. What can I say? Really good. We've seen it in the dark. We've seen it as the sun's come up. We've got plenty of pictures of the buildings. The Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run ride is fantastic. The sights and the sounds, they put a lot of effort into the detail. Plenty of characters about. We've gone past the Stormtroopers a couple of times. Rey and Chewie have been about. We saw Chewie trying to fix the X-Wing fighter. Fantastic experience and well worth getting up early for.